port of Colombo, Ceylon. The city of Colombo derives its name from the port of Colombo, Colombo Harbour, which dates back to the Sinhalese Kotte kingdom of the 14th century. Colombo was the port first used by merchants from China and the Far East, India and Persia, who came to trade in the island's famous spices. In 1505, however, 443 years of foreign occupation began in Sri Lanka, when the Portuguese fleet sailed into Colombo's harbour. After more than a century and a half, the Dutch followed and occupied the country from 1656 to 1796. Then came the British, ruling the region as a colony until a few years after World War II. It was during the latter part British rule that the port of Colombo was upgraded and converted to a sheltered harbour. After independence was granted in 1948, the port was expanded with the construction of the Queen Elizabeth Quay together with the completion of 16 alongside berths, transit sheds, and warehouses. To this day, the port of Colombo is rated as one of the top 35 ports in the world. Colombo Harbour completed 1885, construction of Southwest Breakwater, Colombo Harbour, 1875 to 1885. The creation of an artificial harbour to increase the shipping capacity of Ceylon was first suggested by the Earl of Carnarvon in 1866. At this time the favoured location was Gal at the extreme south of the island, but in 1870 the governor, Sir Hercules Robinson, reported in favour of Colombo, whose commercial status was rapidly growing as a result both of the completion of the Suez Canal and of the Colombo-Kandy Railway, and Robert Townsend, the engineer responsible for Plymouth Breakwater, was sent out to make a feasibility study. He too was impressed by Colombo's natural advantages over Gal and advised the construction of a breakwater across the harbour mouth. In 1872, the great harbour engineer Sir John Could drew up plans for a breakwater running north from Customs House Point at the southern entrance and enclosing 500 acres of sheltered mooring.